Hey everyone, so yeah, in this video, I'll show beginners how to use Google Slides step by step. Whether you're making a school project, work presentation, or personal slideshow, Google Slides is easy to use and powerful. This full guide for 2026 will take you from zero to creating professional slides confidently. First, go to slides.google.com and log in with your Google account. You can start a blank presentation or pick a template from the gallery. Templates are really handy if you want to save time with design. Next, add a title to your first slide. Pick a theme from the right panel to give your slides a consistent look and feel. The theme automatically sets fonts, colors, and slide styles. To add new slides, click the plus button or use the drop-down to choose a layout. Layouts include title slides, content slides, section headers, and more. Click on text boxes to type content. Use the Insert menu to add images, videos, charts, or shapes. Even importing from Google Drive or searching the web directly works smoothly. Format your slides using font styles, colors, and alignments. Use the Arrange menu to move objects, group items, or align elements. Consistent formatting makes your slides look professional and neat. Make your slides dynamic by adding transitions and animations. Pick an effect and apply it to all or selected slides. Animations highlight important points without being distracting. Click Share to collaborate with others. Add email addresses or generate a link and set permissions: viewer, commenter, or editor. Multiple people can work on the presentation at the same time. When ready, click Present to start full screen mode. You can also download the slides as PDF, PPTX, or share a link. Google Slides makes presenting and sharing super easy. And yeah, that's how beginners can use Google Slides step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you make professional presentations easily, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.